Hello friends, how are you all? Today I will teach you a very cute little shoe for a baby girl. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I am using 1.60 mm of needle and a thread. So chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13 chain. Now skip 2 in the third, make single crochet. Now make 4 more single crochet in a row. 4, 1, 2, 3, and this one is my fourth. Now 2 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 2, no sorry 4 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4. Now in the last one make 7 double crochet, 7 double crochet, 1, 2. Now I did my 7 double crochet in the same stitch, last one. Now again make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, excuse me, 2, 3, 4. Now make 2 half double crochet, now 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the fourth one we will make 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4. Now I did my 5 single crochet in the last one. Now make a slip stitch here in the first one. This is my slip stitch. Now my first round. Now start second, chain 2, and in the next make 2 double crochet, something is wrong with my needle. Now make double crochet into the next stitches. Now I made 10 double crochet in a row, so I have my 7 stitches in a one stitch, so I will make 2 double crochet in each stitch, 2 double crochet in each stitch for 7 times. 7 times. 2 double crochet in one stitch for 7 times. Now I did my 7 stitches with 2 double crochet in each stitch. Now I will make 10 double crochet in a row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now I have 1 2 3 4 stitches, so I will do 2 double crochet in each stitch. 2 double crochet in each stitch for 4 times. Now make a slip stitch in the third one. 1 2, and this one is my third. So this is my second row. Now chain 1 and make single crochet for 10 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I did my single crochet for 13 times. Now in the next make 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then single crochet for 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now in the next make 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now chain single crochet in all stitches except last 4 stitches. Single crochet. Now I have my 4 stitches left, so I will do 2 single crochet in each stitch. And this one is my last, and make a slip stitch in the first. Now this is my shoe sole, so cut the yarn here and make it tight.